Subscribe my channel for GK. The Kailash Nath temple at Ellora was built by which dynasty? Answer is Rashtrakutas. Angkor Wat temple in Cambodia, the largest Hindu temple in the world, is dedicated to which god? Answer is Vishnu. The Seven Raj temple of Mahabalipuram was built by which ruler? Answer is Narasimhavarman. The famous rock-cut temple of Kailash at Ellora was built by which king? Answer is Rashtrakuta King Krishna I. Where is Konark temple located? Answer is Odisha. Martan temple is in which state? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. The Meenakshi temple's mandapa made of which mineral? Answer is granite. The Meenakshi temple contains how many pillars? Answer is 985. Lingaraj temple is located in which city? Answer is Bhubaneswar. Peacock Island temple is also known as. Answer is Umananda temple. Where is Shore temple located in India? Answer is Mahabalipuram. A massive temple dedicated to the sun god is situated in which state? Answer is Odisha. The famous Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai was built during which dynasty? Answer is Pallava. Which temple is well known for their Nagara style symbolism and erotic figures and sculptures? Answer is Khajuraho. Jagannath temple is located in which Indian city? Answer is Puri. Golden temple is located in which city? Answer is Amritsar. The Bhitargaon temple was built during the reign of which period? Answer is Gupta period. The Shore temple of Mahabalipuram was built by which ruler? Answer is Narasimhavarman II. Khajuraho temples were built by which dynasty? Answer is Chandelas. Which temple is known for its Dravidian architecture? Answer is Meenakshi temple. Which temple is famous for Mahashivratri celebrations? Answer is Mahakaleshwar temple. Which temple is famous for strict traditions? Answer is Sabrimala temple. Which temple is located on Nilachal hill? Answer is Kamakhya temple. Which temple is associated with Lord Venkateshwara? Answer is Tirupati Balaji temple. Which temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva in Ujjain? Answer is Mahakaleshwar temple. Which temple is dedicated to Lord Ram? Answer is Ram Mandir Ayodhya. Which temple is famous for its Gopurams? Answer is Meenakshi temple. Which temple is famous for daily free meals? Answer is Golden Temple. Which temple is carved from a single rock? Answer is Kailash Temple, Ellora. Where is Kailash Temple located? Answer is Maharashtra. Where is Vaishno Devi Temple located? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Which religion worships in the Golden Temple? Answer is Sikhism. What is the holy tank of Golden Temple called? Answer is Amrit Sarovar. Which temple is famous for the Akshay Patra kitchen? Answer is Jagannath Temple. Where is Kamakhya Temple located? Answer is Assam. Which temple is dedicated to Goddess Durga? Answer is Vaishno Devi Temple. Where is Brihadeshwara temple located? Answer is Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Raja Raja Chola first. Which temple is known for the floating Shiva Lingam? Answer is Kedarnath temple. Which temple is located near the sea? Answer is Jagannath temple. Which temple is located near the sea? Answer is Jagannath temple. Which temple is dedicated to the sun god? Answer is Konark Sun Temple. Where is Konark Sun Temple located? Answer is Odisha. Which temple is shaped like a chariot? Answer is Konark Sun Temple. Which temple is also called the Black Pagoda? Answer is Konark Sun Temple. Where is Sabrimala Temple located? Answer is Kerala. Which temple is famous for its chariot festival? Answer is Jagannath Temple. Where is Jagannath Temple located? Answer is Puri, Odisha. Which temple is associated with Rath Yatra? Answer is Jagannath Temple. How many Jyotirlingas are there in India? Answer is 12. Which temple is famous for long corridors? Answer is Rameshwaram Temple. Which temple is known as the Golden Temple of South India? Answer is Meenakshi Temple. Where is Meenakshi Temple located? Answer is Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Where is Kashi Vishwanath Temple located? Answer is Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Which temple is dedicated to Lord Kishan? Answer is ISKCON Temple. Which god is worshipped in Rameshwaram Temple? Answer is Lord Shiva. Which is the most famous temple of Lord Vishnu? Answer is Tirupati Balaji Temple. Where is Tirupati Balaji Temple located? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Which is the richest temple in India? Answer is Tirupati Balaji Temple. Which is the oldest temple in India? Answer is Mundeshwari Temple, Bihar. Which temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva in Varanasi? Answer is Kashi Vishwanath Temple.